If you'd like to make images like this in just 2 minutes, whether it's for your Etsy bundles or maybe you have some sticker packs that you want to sell, then I have a free tool for you. Let's get started. So if you head on over to the imagetoolbox.leftystudios.com, I've created this tool called the Bundle Builder. If you click on that, it will bring you to a page like this where you can go find your bundle images. In this case, I've got 20 images for some clip art that I'd like to include in a bundle, and I've got the backgrounds already removed. And that's important because if you want a transparent image, or if you want to add a background underneath, you're going to want them to be transparent. After a few seconds of processing, it'll be ready to go. I do like the divided grid 2 layout style. It adds a little randomness to the items so that they don't just look like perfectly gridded up. Now, the tool will automatically try to figure out like the best layout, but it's not perfect, and so maybe there's a style that you like a little bit different. You can go to the images per row and you can actually change this 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth, however many images per row you want to see. And I'm going to go with 5, or in this case auto, but you can play around with that setting as well. And then in the middle there's this gap for like text and whatnot. So to show you an example of what that looks like, I'll go ahead and choose a center image right here, and it'll take a second to process as well. Processing is just kind of eliminating any white space or unused transparent space in your images. Now, the center image is optional. You can omit this, and if you've uploaded one, you can click the X right here to remove it. That way you can export this, and maybe you want to do some additional editing in another software. So you can adjust the center image area to kind of see what this looks like. You can also scroll down and adjust just the center image, like if you want to make it big or you want to scale it and rotate it. It really just depends on what you're going for. I know everybody has their own style, so you can do that. You can also change your background. So if you want a different color background, for me, I'm not really interested in a background. I'm going to do transparent because I would like to drop this in Canva and do some like additional processing, maybe add a badge or 2 on the sides here. But essentially this kind of gets you to a starting place super fast, so you don't really have to think much about it. You can also add a background. So let me find a background here that we could use. So there's the background, and that's more closely resembling the example I showed you just a moment ago. So after it's exported, it looks kind of like this. And so again, you can do transparent background, you can do additional processing in another application, but right now this is optimized for Etsy. So when you go to export your PNG or WebP, you're going to get it in the 4:3 aspect ratio that Etsy recommends, and you're going to get the perfect dimensions. If you have any layout styles that you'd like to see added in here, please leave me a comment below. I'm more than happy to take feature requests, not just layouts, but any other features you'd like to see in here. Yeah, so I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope the tool speeds up your workflow. Please leave a comment if you have any feedback or suggestions. I appreciate it, and I wish everyone have a wonderful day, and God bless.